Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to solve this Rubik's Cube, but only one turn every kilometer. Okay, so I'm right here at Watson Lake, and there's the Bellevue Dome right behind me, so you can see right up there. And I'm going to solve this Rubik's Cube, but I'm only going to do one turn every kilometer. So I need to scramble up the Rubik's Cube, and then go ride another kilometer down the Poudre River Trail before I do the next turn. Okay, so here's the first kilometer, so I'm going to do an F2. Kilometer 2. L. Kilometer 3, B. Kilometer 4, U. Kilometer 5, R. Kilometer 6, U prime. Kilometer 7, F. Kilometer 8, U2. Kilometer 9, F2. Kilometer 10, U. Kilometer 11, R. Kilometer 12, B prime. Kilometer 13, R prime. Kilometer 14, L prime. Kilometer 15, U2. Kilometer 16, L. Kilometer 17, B prime. And we got a triple X cross made, so we only have to make one more F2L pair. Kilometer 18, U. Kilometer 19, just had to merge onto the Spring Creek Trail so I don't end up in Greeley, R prime. Kilometer 20, U prime. Kilometer 21, R2. Kilometer 22, B prime. Kilometer 23, R prime. Kilometer 24, B. And I finished F2L onto OL. Kilometer 25, R. Kilometer 26, B2. Kilometer 27, L prime. Kilometer 28, B prime. Kilometer 29, L. Kilometer 30, B prime. Kilometer 31, R prime. Finished off OL and ready to take this next trail for the world's longest T-perm. B, U. Kilometer 34, B prime. Kilometer 35, U prime. Nice view from here too. Kilometer 36. This trail is so much easier to ride on. B prime. Kilometer 37. R. Kilometer 38. B2. Kilometer 39. U prime. Kilometer 40. B prime. Kilometer 41. U prime. Kilometer 42. B. Kilometer 43. U. B prime. Kilometer 45. R prime. And finally, after 46 kilometers, it's time for me to do my last turn, which is a U2. Alright, I finished the 3x3 out here. Okay guys, so thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. This is definitely one of the hardest and funnest challenges I've done so far. Please subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video.